Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing some love to our hips with the top 10 yoga poses for flexibility. Whether you spend long hours sitting or just want to feel more open and free in your body, this practice is for you. Listen to your body, find what feels good, and let's get started. We'll begin by coming to a comfortable seat, drawing the soles of our feet together and letting our knees gently fall open. This is butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. Take a deep inhale and lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, gently release closer to the earth. Imagine your breath flowing into your hips, softening any tension. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths, allowing your body to gently open up. From butterfly, we'll transition onto all fours and then bring our knees wider than hip-width apart. This is frog pose or Mandukasana. Keep your feet in line with your knees, toes pointing outward. As you inhale, feel your spine lengthen, and as you exhale, gently sink your hips back towards your heels. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, breathing deeply and evenly. From frog pose, we'll gently transition to a low lunge or Anjaneyasana. Step your right foot forward between your hands and lower your left knee to the ground. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gently sink deeper into the pose. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths before switching sides. From low lunge, we'll transition into pigeon pose. Bring your right knee forward behind your right wrist and extend your left leg back. Keep your hips square towards the front of the mat and use your hands for support. Inhale and lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gently fold forward over your front leg. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, allowing your hips to open up. Then we'll switch sides. From pigeon pose, we'll come to standing and step our feet wide apart. Turn your toes slightly inwards, and as you inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, fold forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Relax your head and neck, allowing gravity to deepen the stretch. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, breathing deeply into the stretch. From wide-legged forward bend, we'll gently come down to our backs. Lie flat on your back and hug your knees into your chest. Extend your arms out to the sides in a T shape, palms facing up. As you inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gently drop both knees over to the right side. Feel a gentle twist in your spine and hips. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. From supine twist, we'll transition into figure 4 stretch or Sukhirandrasana. Still lying on your back, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh just above your knee. Flex your right foot to protect your knee. Feel the stretch in your outer right hip and glute. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. From figure 4, we'll transition into happy baby pose or Ananda Balasana. Lie on your back and draw your knees towards your chest, grasping the outsides of your feet. Gently rock side to side, massaging your lower back. Feel a stretch in your inner thighs and hips, and a release in your lower back. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, enjoying the gentle rocking motion. Now, we'll transition into lizard pose or Uttanapristhasana. From happy baby, come onto all fours and then step your right foot forward. Bring both hands to the inside of your right foot and lower your left knee to the ground. You can stay here or lower down onto your forearms for a deeper stretch. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. To finish our practice, we'll move into a relaxing reclined bound angle pose, or Supta Baddha Konasana. Lie flat on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open. Close your eyes and allow your body to completely relax into the pose. Feel the gentle opening in your hips and the release of any tension. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, allowing your body to completely surrender. And there you have it! 10 yoga poses to unlock your hips and bring flexibility back into your body. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to improving flexibility. Even a few minutes each day can make a big difference. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, take care and keep practicing.